class. Today we talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Threads app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, clicking this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just come to your photo profile here, you just click on it. So then all you have to do, just click here on your profile picture, just click on it here, and here can you import from Instagram to add your photo profile. That's all. So you just click on it, and it's going to take you automatically to your gallery to select your photo profile. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.